I was elected to the Manipur Legislative Assembly in 2017 on BJP ticket. I was full of hopes and aspirations for improving my constituency, especially the network connection, the road network connection of the subdivision. But as time passed on, I was not very happy with the ongoing things, especially when the funds for developing my constituency were diverted elsewhere. My disillusionment reached the zenith, and I was full of disappointment when the fund meant for Thinkeu Henglep Road, amounting to 157 crore 22 lakh and 94,000, was diverted without my knowledge. Then I started having differences with the Honorable Chief Minister. Then he also was not happy with me. Nothing worked for quite some time. Ultimately, it led to my leaving the party as well as my membership. As of now, ex-MLA of Henglep constituency. During my stint as 3.5 years, I visited Henglep headquarters 17 times before resigning. And I saw to it that the subdivision or the constituency is crisscrossed with PMG soil roads. Up to that extent, I'm happy because so many villages not connected